Hello, my name is Abhijit. This particular video is for physios, dietitians, counselors, and coverage coordinators. So, in this particular video, I will show you how to check in, how to check out, and how to fill the respective forms. So, first step is you need to click on Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. If you are using an iPhone, click on iStore. Now, once you click on Google Play Store, in the search bar, type DocEngage Patient Chat. So this is DocEngage Patient Chat. Just click on this. Now you will get an option called Install. Just click on Install. It will take few seconds to install this particular app. After that, just click on Open. So for the first time, it will give an introduction about the app. You just need to click on Skip. Now in the login ID, please type the mobile number, and in the password also type your mobile number. Now click on Login. After login, click on Schedule. Now here you will be able to see the patient. Now in case if it is not visible, just refresh it, just pull down so that it refreshes. Now here you can see Start Chat. Start Chat is nothing but the check-in. This call feature is to give a call to the patient. Now once I click on Start Chat, it is checked in. So you have done the check-in part. Now for physios, you can just click on the notes. For physiotherapists, I would request them to click on notes and then enter the notes. Whatever conversation you had with the patient and whatever exercises you have told to the patient, you can mention it in this notes and then just go back. Now, if it is a supervisor, if it is a doctor, if it is a dietitian, you just need to click on this particular icon top right side, click on this and then just switch on the assessment part. This one, assessment, just switch on and then now go back. Now you will be able to see the list of all forms. Now for doctors, only discharge form is there. So here you have the HIDF, which is a home isolation discharge form. For dietitians, we have a form called home isolation dietitian. Now for supervisors, we have a form called HICSV, that is home isolation supervisor visit. Okay. For me, we have a form here that is motivational engagement and education. So you need to click on the form. Say like I'm just clicking on the dietitian form. This dietitian form, once it has been filled, just click on done at the top right side and then just go back. Okay. And now you have done the check-in, you have filled the form, and in case if you want to upload, specifically like doctors, they want to upload the document or any related documents which for this specific patient you want to upload it, you can just go back to this top right side icon once again and then just click on it and then just switch on the document part. Just switch on the document, again go back, and then in this you can see now the option called documents. Here you can upload the document, that's it. Okay. Now so you have done the check-in, you have filled the forms, you have uploaded the documents. In case if patient is not responding your call, you can always fill it in the notes. Okay. After that, now you need to check out. So there is a button here, checkout. You can just click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, do you want to check out again? It will ask. Yes, you can just say checkout. Now here you can see the status is marked as completed. Okay. Now if you want to see your records, you can just click on the patient. Here I'll be getting, here I have got one assessment, this form which has been filled. I'll be able to see the assessment. I can see all the details. This is basically the timeline of the patient. Okay. And now we can even see, once it is completed, you can always see it in the patients here. Okay, these are all the patients. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries, please feel free to call me on 912-132-6565. Thank you.